Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set administrator permissions. Anytime when you try to use any app in the computer, it requires for administrator permission. Without further delay, let's get started. Now first, let's open an app to see. This is my Google Chrome, so if I open it direct like this, it opens just immediately when I open it. To set an admin permission on it, it's very easy to do. Just right click on the app, click on properties. Now in properties, go to compatibility. Under compatibility, we have this: run this program as an administrator. So check on that, click on this, and then apply. So once you apply, click on OK. Now if you tries to open an app, it requires for administrator permission before the app runs. So once you open, click on yes. So if there's a password in administrator, so you need to log in, you need to type in the password before the app opens. So this is how you secure your apps by not allowing other people to use them. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on our next video. Peace out.